ladies and gentlemen, my name is Daddo, also known as Mr. D, and welcome to the first episode of Refined Guitar Chops. These are guitar lessons for absolute beginners. So each lesson will have, let's say, 3-4 notes, so I call them micro exercises, so it's easier for you to grasp. So let's get started. So let's break it down. You got only 3 notes here: G, F, and E. The full pattern goes like this. And then you simply repeat it. And the right hand is extremely important here because the exercise starts with an upstroke. So up, down, up, down. That's it. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments below. You can also find me on my Facebook fan page. The link is also in the description. And I'll see you guys next time.